So back in October, Antisocial Social Club had a drop with some clothing and some accessories, and I decided to pick up a couple just because I liked how they looked. So today I finally got in that order, and it's December, so it took almost 2 months for me to get their order in, which is kind of bad, but what are you gonna do? You can't really control that. They're known for having really bad shipping time, so just happy I got in my order so I can show you guys. So today I'm gonna show you everything I ordered, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna do close-up reviews on both accessories I got, so make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video. And before I get into it, make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'd really appreciate it, and now let's get right into it. All right, so starting off, I'm gonna show you guys the accessories, and then I'm gonna show you the clothing piece I got. So starting off, first accessory I got was these ASSC Chopsticks. So pretty cool in my opinion. They're like $12 I think, so not too bad. I need to get the Supreme ones now just so I can complete the set, or just like have the hype brand chopsticks. So maybe in the future I'll have to get those, but I think those are like $100, so they're pretty pricey, but I think these are pretty cool, nice for the accessory collection. And then the other accessory I got, another cool one in my opinion, was the Rubiks cube. So as you can see, it just says the branding on both sides, and then the other sides are blank. So I'm gonna do a close-up review of this after I show you the clothing piece, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So now getting into the clothing piece I got, this is probably my favorite thing that I ordered, so here it is. It is the shirt that I got. As you can see, it says Antisocial Social Club on the front in white, and then here's the tag, and then the size tag, and then on the back, that's where like the design is. Says Antisocial Social Club, but it also has these little hummingbirds on it. I think this tee is so sick. I think it's called the Pair of Dice tee, so it's just like a play on words of the word paradise. So overall, I think this is super cool. It comes in black, and it also comes in white. I probably should have got it in white because that'd be more like a summer shirt, but I still think the black is super sick. I'll definitely be wearing this. I just think this shirt looks super sick in my opinion. So definitely my favorite thing I got this order. I have another order incoming because I got another shirt that released at a later date, but that isn't even shipped yet. So it'll probably be 2020 by the time I get it, so that kind of sucks. But that's it for my order. Now on to the close-up review, so let's get right into that. All right, so now on to the close-up portion of the review of both accessories, starting off with the chopsticks. As you can see, they both say Antisocial Social Club towards the back, and it's in screen printing, and the printing's actually pretty good. It doesn't feel like it'll rub off or anything. Going on to the ends of the chopsticks, they have like a little point to them. It looks like a little pyramid. And then as you can see, both chopsticks taper down to a point, and they're not actually that big in my opinion. So they're like a lot smaller than the chopsticks you get at like Panda Express or something. Usually those I'd feel like are like out here, but these are actually super small in my opinion. I don't know if that's how normal chopsticks are, but just like the ones I've had in the past, these are super small compared to that. I'll have to get the Supreme ones just to see how they compare to these, but overall this is a really nice piece. They're made out of plastic, and it doesn't feel like they'll snap or break or anything, so it feels really nice quality. So that's it for the chopsticks. Now onto the Rubik's Cube. All right, so now onto the Rubik's Cube. Here it is, same color as the chopsticks, so it's that pink all the way around, and it says Antisocial Social Club on either side, and the cube's fully functional as you can see, but the turning on it's really bad. It's like super loose, and it just like feels like, I don't know, it's just like not very smooth compared to the other cubes I've tried before. So maybe in the future I'll do a video comparing this to like an actual Rubik's Cube. So overall, pretty nice accessory. All the pieces are printed, they're not stickers, so that's nice, but the printing's like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel like the best of quality, so I feel like it'll rub off in time. So I probably won't be handling this too much, but overall still a nice display piece. Hopefully some of the other companies make Rubik's Cubes in the future. I think that'd be really cool. Just all of them have their own Rubik's Cube with their branding on it. But that's it for this Rubik's Cube review, and that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also please leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.